In this video, we're going to be talking about Google operators. So I think most people are going to be familiar with Google and doing searches on it. But what a lot of people don't know is that Google actually has advanced operator commands that you can actually enter, which is going to be really useful to you for when you're doing your OSINT searches. And to be honest, searches in general. So there's a number of commands, like I said, and I'm going to provide links to some of these things to help you with it. And we're only going to go through a few of these because there are a number of operators. So if we go to Google's site on this page here, we can see some of the commands are if you want to do a social media search, you could put an @ sign in front of your keywords. So, for example, at Twitter. If you want to do a price search here, you can put a $sign, so camera at $400, so it's going to pull up a bunch of cameras around that price range that it finds, or search for hashtags or other things. So this is actually a pretty cool list here, but there's actually a number of other operators that they don't even talk about on this page. And if I pull this up here, you can actually see some of them listed here. So let me go over a couple with you real quick here. So first one I want to show you is if if you want to do a refined search, you could actually put in quotes here. Let's put down Udemy, and if we put that in quotes there, it's going to force Google to do an exact search for that. So in here you can see Udemy right here, Udemy Twitter, Udemy 386 photos, etc. Another one you could do is cache. So if you want to look for someone to see if there's a cache page, say you're looking for someone's Facebook page and they deleted something out, Google may have cached that previously. So if I do, say, let me spell that right, cache or cache, uh, colon, let's do facebook.com, and then I'm going to do a /, I'm going to type in, let's try Udemy. I'm not even sure if they really do have a page. They probably do. So if I do that, it should pull up, yeah, there we go, pulls up cache pages that Google cache for this. So as you can see here, this is Google's cache or cache, facebook.com, Udemy. Its snapshot page appeared on June 22nd, 2018, 20 GMT time. So this is great for, again, if your target posted something to Facebook or Twitter and they deleted it, um, this is one tool you could use to see if you can go back and see if Google cached a previous version of it. That way you could find out what they posted before it got deleted. Now let's go back here. Go over a couple more. Okay, you could do all in text. So what this will do is it'll search for text on a specific page. So if I do all in text, I'm going to do colon social media links. It's going to go out and search for anything with social media links. So how to add, link all, how to create social media buttons, etc. We also could do search for file types. So if I do, say I want to search for passwords in a Word doc or Excel file, I could do passwords. And I'm going to do file type, all one word, colon. And let's say we want to do a Excel file. It's probably going to be likely. And in here we find different passwords are in an Excel file. listed in here. So again, pretty useful. We could do site searches. Let's type in site www.facebook.com, and then we're going to search for John Doe. So this is going to search Facebook site for John Doe. So instead of just typing in John Doe and Google and having a billion search results, this is going to help isolate to Facebook. And again, for a more comprehensive list, you could actually do a web search for Google Advanced Operators. I'll put this link in this video. You could, again, also search Google Support, which again, I'm going to put this in the links. And this is another site that's fantastic. Again, this will be in the links. This is called the Google Hacking or Google Hacking Database or Exploit Database. So what this is a gigantic collection of advanced Google search operators. So in here, you can search by category, footholds, sensitive information, vulnerable files, accessories, various vulnerabilities, the list goes on. And in here, this thing is constantly updated, as you see. So in here, if we take a quick look here, they list this category as files containing juicy info. So this is passport details, user IDs, VPN services, passwords, malware analysis reports, etc. So again, this is an absolutely amazing database for searching for information, especially if you're not quite sure how to phrase your search result. Chances are it's someone already searched at some point or something similar. So you could actually just pull up these things here and actually search for whatever you're looking for. So again, this was Google Advanced Operators. Thank you.